brother's first haircut. Amazing, isn't it?
You're not watching Zack and Cody?
Not right now. I want to see brother's first moment. Yep, I'm taping it. Isn't he so cute? Hey.
My brother. Hey! He's got hair on his face. Yay! Good boy!
Clap, clap, clap.
What's that, Lola? Here, I'll give you a nip. That's not even.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, you messed up.
No.
See, you have to be a professional.
Wait.
I'm nervous.
Mom, we should put these on the home
Well, that would
videos.
Alright, hold on, brother. Oh, pickles? No, enough. Look.
I know.
Isn't he one chubby boy? Brother, use your own toothbrush. It's a good thing I'm getting this on film. Like once in a long time video thing. It's a good thing I'm getting it right now. Brother, use your own toothbrush.
Come on, brother.
He's got hair on his chin. He looks so golden in this light. He looks like golden colored in this lighting with this camera. Doesn't he look golden? I'm gonna stop the video in 30 seconds. Even longer.
Let's see, brother.
Does it look even yet? Well, I'm looking from the camera. I don't really know. Dad, is it even?
It's good.
Right, yeah. Okay, one more minute.
You could stop it. I don't know what you're doing.
Okay. But Bubba looks so golden. I want to see his head shaved.
All right, brother.
Ready for some... It tickles, I know. But I don't know what feels like to be shaved. Go. What do you think?
Hold on.
Hey, Dad, you know what? If we make a slideshow for Brother's birthday, we should add this.